You've made it to the end of the Chemistry of Life Biology 20 project, where we've covered outcomes from human systems as well as cellular respiration. I'm going to talk a little bit about the final product because you're probably at that point where you're trying to get it ready. So remember, your final product is all about creating something that proves you understand enough about important chemistry in a living systems. So you're going to give advice to another person on drug use, enzyme supplements, aerobic versus anaerobic training, and well-balanced diets. So whatever product you decide to create, be sure to address the following focusing questions to demonstrate that you understand how different chemical reactions maintain the human body on a daily basis. So you want to think about the specialized structures and how they function in the overall biochemical balance, and then the conditions that result if these structures don't function normally. So you're probably wondering, well, what the heck do I make for a final product? Other than the 101 ways to show what you know in the corner of this presentation, I've had everything from a slideshow and a poster, which are usual fare, to articles, newspaper articles, fake products, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second, debates. I've had people do sales pitches and advertisements. I've had brochures, help pamphlets. I've had people write just plain old essays. And again, it's always important to remember the reason you have some choice here is because you need to decide, what is my strength? What am I good at? How could I best show my teacher I know this stuff? What shows off my ability and my knowledge? If I am not a good writer, I am not going to write an essay. If I do not like to cut straight and put things on a poster and cut and paste, and I will not make a paper mache anything. So you have to keep that in mind. What is your strength? Chat with your teacher. So here's some things I have seen: a wonderful informative poster, two informative posters, another one where it was like a game where they had different parts of the brain connected to the major brain, and then underneath there was information and questions. This was what I was talking about when I said a product. Someone had created a label for Magic, which was a meal replacement bar, and it had enzymes and all the macronutrients. It also had extra oxygen and things to help you do cellular respiration. And all of that information is on the back here. So how does this product help maintain that biochemical balance? So they kind of took everything into consideration and made that final product. Again, the sky's the limit on how you want to do that. But remember, there's some things in the workspace that can help you accomplish your goals. Not only is there this exemplars, but there's also the product planner. And this will help you kind of lay out, what am I going to do? How am I going to do it? What resources do I need? Who do I need help from to get this completed? And then there's some inspiration here, 3 little documents, some links that will help you take you to places that might give you a little bit of an idea of how you can demonstrate your learning. Under evidence, there's those project I can statements to help make sure that you understand the 3 outcomes from this project, whether you get it, sort of get it, don't get it. Maybe you need to go back and fix some of that knowledge. Just a review of what that final product is. Then you can see under rubrics, there's an evaluation sheet, whether you're doing it with a peer or whether your teacher's doing it with you, you need to check with them. There is a self-evaluation, that's you evaluate yourself. And then there's that assessment rubric. So where do you fit on that after you have completed this final product?